L to the yeah. How's that for a backdrop for an airport too? Woohoo! G'day folks, Andy here. This is Andy's World Journeys. Today it's a flight review. I'm in Santorini. I'm about to fly, a short one for you today, to Athens on Aegean Airlines. So as you can see, we're just pulling up here to the Santorini airport. We've got an A320 flight. It's about 7:10. So it's a domestic flight, so that's fine. And here we are. Let's rock it. And howdy there, you see a very happy Andy here.
Flight preview. Flight preview. Come fly with me on this flight review for me and for you. On Andy's World Journeys. Doot, doot, doot. It's a flight preview.
I do not know how I ended up in such a ridiculously oversized vehicle. But this is my transport to the airport. Today's flight number is A335-3 and we'll be flying in an Airbus A320. Yes, I know it's another A320. They really are the workhorse of the world at the moment, and they do a good job. They're just not very exciting, what can I say? And we're done. It only took 15 minutes or so. And we are ready to go through security. So we've still got about an hour before the flight, maybe just a little bit less, 55 minutes. So timing is good. They printed out me a new boarding pass, and I think I left my old one over there, but it doesn't matter. It actually turns out that Aegean is the flag carrier of Greece. It's the busiest airline, biggest fleet, most destinations served, and on top of that, it sees the most passengers. So there you go. And today's flight cost just under 200 Australian, which I guess is a little pricey for a 30-minute flight. But I guess they have the monopoly. Well, folks, we're apparently at gate 3, this tiny little airport, but they still have a chance to try and flog duty free, even though I think all the flights here are domestic. Passport control? See, now that's the plane I was hoping for. There is passport control, so there are some international flights. A place called Holy Burger. And over here, gate 3. So the plane has arrived and people are disembarking straight onto the tarmac. Awesome. I think this might be my first tarmac boarding actually. And we'll get to board from the back of the plane also, which will be efficient, I would hope. Awesome. Bye. 28? This is the best way to board a plane. I don't care what anyone says. Oh. Smell that air jet fuel. Hell to the yeah. How's that for a backdrop for an airport too? Woohoo! I think for the first time in my life I sat down in the wrong seat. I'm supposed to be, I'm in the right row, I'm just supposed to be on the other window seat. I knew I was in a window seat and I just went to this one, and I actually wanted to be on the other side to get a better view of Santorini as we took off. Such is life, c'est la vie. But I think they're okay with me staying here. There's a group here, so that someone's just going to go in my seat. Same but same. Remember, I'm not a tall man, and it's not a lot in the way of legroom here. Yeah, it feels very much like a budget product. I think they've got 30 rows, so they've got 30 rows, so probably about 170 odd in, because it does look full. I'm in business class. I can't tell from here. I think business class is probably just between 2 and 4 rows. Not much in the way of a greeting when I got on board, or anyone. Pretty much looks like a full flight. I don't know exactly how full, but if we're not full, we're very close to it. We're closing the overhead compartment, so we'll be taking off soon.
Θα θέλαμε τώρα να σας δώσουμε μερικές πληροφορίες για την ασφάλειά σας.
So they are forecasting a 30-minute journey, and it's 8:18, 7 minutes before departure. And we are pushing back, and well, there's the runway right there. So I don't know if we possibly have to go back a bit.
Τραβήξτε τη μάσκα προς το μέρος σας, τοποθετήστε τη στο στόμα και τη μύτη και συνεχίστε να αναπνέετε κανονικά. Κατόπιν, εφαρμόστε τη μάσκα στα παιδιά που ταξιδεύουν μαζί σας.
Looks like there's only 3 flight attendants on this flight, and they're just going through the safety procedures
Δεν assist any children traveling with you.
at lightning speed.
Το κάπνισμα δεν επιτρέπεται στις πτήσεις της Aegean. We would like to remind you that all Aegean flights are non-smoking. Είμαστε τώρα έτοιμοι για την απογείωση. Βεβαιωθείτε ότι η ζώνη ασφαλείας είναι σφιχτά δεμένη.
Folks, we're up, and wow, you can see all the islands down there. Here comes another one. 30-minute flight, so I wouldn't be expecting any food service. There is some clanking going on back in the rear of the plane, but you know, we're already 5 minutes in, which means we've got 25 minutes to go, which means we're probably less than 15 minutes from starting our descent. Really feels like a budget flight. There's no screen, there's no entertainment, couldn't get the Wi-Fi to go, no USB chargers. It's just a basic flight, but it's only 30 minutes, so why would you Yeah, you wouldn't bother decking your plane out for a full service flight for 30 minutes. We've got 3 flight attendants, haven't seen any of them actually crack a smile at any point. They whizzed through the safety briefing at breakneck speed. But it is a super fast, well, there is a trolley up there. We'll see what's going on. Obviously they have a super fast changeover there in Santorini. Like, it's like get people off, quick sweep of the cabin, get people on. That's all the time they had. So it's probably tough on the crew, because I'm sure it's the same crew that flew down. What do we got? We got little snacks. Probably a bottle of water and some chips or something. Thank you. Thank you. It's a mini Greek brioche. There you go. It's a piece of bread. Sweet. It's a piece of sweet Greek bread. I suppose I'll eat it. Keeps you from going hungry and not much else. They were just finishing up the quick delivery meal service, or whatever you want to call it, and we had the announcement to prepare for descent and landing. So it's like blink and it's over, hey? I mean, we're still over Greek islands here, but you expect that. And we've probably still got 15 minutes. We're about halfway.
Ορίσατε στην Αθήνα. Οι ζώνες ασφαλείας θα πρέπει να παραμείνουν δεμένες μέχρι να σβήσει την ένδειξη προσδεθείτε. Το ταξίδι συνεχίζεται με τη Hertz με όλες τις επιλογές ενοικίες διαθέσιμες για εσάς. Dear passengers, welcome to Athens. Please keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before you leave the aircraft, please be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items may have moved during the flight and might fall out.
There you go. Short flight, simple flight. Not a lot to discuss really. Anyway, we do some final thoughts from the terminal, because I actually have another flight that I will be reviewing, but I have to actually check in first for that. So we just go past all these. I thought perhaps we were going to get bussed. I'm still not 100% confident either way on this. Great fan of the bus. I'm a great fan of walking to the plane, but not so much the busing. But we keep moving in the general terminal direction, as in the airport terminal. We're not dying, and so fingers crossed that is how the flight ends.
Cabin crew, door to disarm, cross-check.
We'll see if we disembark on the rear of the plane. Possibly, they did, over there. Yeah, we've been just sort of sitting here for about 15, but now we're empty. Looks like we're all going out the front as well. Already they've taken out a few bags.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Few smiles there. Well folks, here I am back inside the airport proper. Aegean Air, what can we say about it? You know, I think it's just another one of the cases of everything was solid. I mean, it wasn't outstanding, but it was solid, and it's all you need for a 30-minute flight. That's all you need. So yeah, that's all I can say about Aegean Air, other than I keep pronouncing it incorrectly, but I believe it's Aegean Air. That's what I heard people saying, so I'm going to go with that. All in all, yeah, the cabin was a little bit squashy, not as much legroom as some of the other flights I've taken recently, and maybe the service could have been a bit more bright and bubbly, although one of the ladies at least cracked a smile by the end of the flight. Otherwise, yeah, pretty stock standard stuff really, I guess. I wish there was some incidents. No, I don't, but I wish there was some incidents so I could make it a more interesting vlog, I guess. But I don't. I definitely don't. Thank you for joining me on this one. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow and I really do appreciate it. Take care wherever you are in the world and may the journey never end.